A House committee is taking up the cause of a woman claiming to be the rightful heir to a painting stolen from her family by the Nazis more than 70 years ago. The painting, Shepherdess Bringing in Sheep, was among 30 works donated to the University of Oklahoma by the family of Clara Weizenhofer. Leon Mayer sued the university 2 years ago after learning the painting was on display at the Fred Jones Jr. Museum of Art. OU officials contend there are unanswered questions regarding ownership and have denied the Mayer family's claim to the painting. Mayer's attorney, Pierre Cyric, appeared Monday before the House Government Modernization and Accountability Committee to answer questions about the painting's history. Here is more of that testimony in this ONR Extra.
Is this another point of challenge that the university is bringing, that she's not a rightful heir?
In fact, in the complaint, in the exchange of legal documents, which in fact are public records with the Southern District of New York, there is no such challenge as to the quality of Leon Mayer as the heir. I think the only statement that was made before your committee several weeks ago was that, you know, somehow we would have failed to prove she was the heir. In court, at the stage where we are, we don't have to make that showing. But, you know, we're very much willing to explain why she is the heir.
Is it your understanding, Mr. Cyric, that a thief cannot convey good title, and it doesn't matter if the Weizenhofer family knew whether this painting was stolen or not? In this jurisdiction, ignorance, and in the United States, ignorance is no excuse in the law.
It's a direct consequence of the American rule that makes it necessary for both the seller and the acquirer to perform the due diligence so that he's not finding himself 20 years later or 30 years later with somebody that pops up with a claim.
If you should win this case and the art is restored back to the family, are there other punitive damages that the state of Oklahoma may suffer, the university may suffer, if you're victorious in court, or is it just the return of the paint?
My understanding is that in practically every case where claimants file for the return or the restitution of looted art, this is in fact a tort cause of action where people either ask for the return of the object or money damages, which are civil money damages. Here, as Raphael mentioned earlier, Leon wants the painting. That's all.